What you doing there?
Yeah,
Who are you talking to?
Shelby.
You're supposed to be asleep.
Shelby. It's Daddy and Paul's Toolbox.
All right, Shelby, I'm ready to take this dog out. How do you use it, man?
This is forward and reverse. You pull this one, that one go that way, and that one go the other way. But
Shelby, that baby's real, huh?
yeah, that's a real grenade now. That one should blow up. Pull it
All right,
this
keep
one.
messing with me. Three of us have too much fun clowning around, and Shelby loves practical jokes. So what he does is he tells me that this hand grenade is live just so he can pull a prank. It almost backfired.
This way, gas, and that way cuts it off.
Okay.
If it goes moving on you, you got to stop it with these things somehow, because they won't.
It'll keep going.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Go ahead, man.
All right.
Children, this is why we don't play with guns.
That's right. Don't never play with the gun, because it gets you hurt. Oh my God.